Righto, so continuing on, going to do the part B now. So in this part B we want to be parallel to the line y equals 2x. Straight away we can see that the gradient there is equal to 2. Okay, because the gradient is always the number in front of x in a linear equation. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my derivative equation, so the 3x squared minus 5, and put it equal to 2. Looking like this one here isn't going to be so nice, so I'm just going to add 5 to both sides. So 3x squared equals 7, and divide both sides by 3, so x squared equals 7 thirds, and then take the square root, so x equals plus or minus the square root of 7 thirds. Really not all that ideal, is it? So given that this is the case, if I were to encounter a situation like this, my first thought would be to use the calculator to do this. So that's what I'm actually going to do. So I'll bring this up, and I want to do now, just to write out the equation, so it's the square root of 7 thirds to the power of 3. Whoops, better make sure I move that outside the square root sign, so to the power of 3, and then minus 5 times the square root of 7 over 3. And if I make sure it's in standard, I get negative 8 root 21 on 9. Okay, so not sure what's going on here. Right, I seem to have fixed it. So when x equals root 7 on 3, we type into the calculator and get y equals negative 8 root 21 on 9. I think it was. Let me just check that quickly. Yep, it was. Okay. So this gives us the coordinates. Root 7 on 3 and negative 8 root 21 on 9. So that was the first coordinate. And likewise, when x equals negative root 7 on 3, again we can type that into the calculator. I'm just going to go here and change these here to negatives, and it's just 8 root 21 on 9. So again, nice and symmetrical. So y equals 8 root 21 on 9, which gives us the coordinates of negative root 7 on 3 and 8 root 21 on 9. Anyway, that wouldn't be a very nice one to work out without a calculator. I mean, it's obviously possible, but well, I think that going with the calculator is a much better way of doing something like that. Anyway, I'll leave that there. See you later.